Hello, friends! Welcome to Rim2 Storytelling. Today we have a funny story about Max and his naughty dog, Fluffy, who steals a cake. It's a big mess. Get ready to laugh and learn new words. Like and subscribe for more fun tales. Max is a 12-year-old boy with a big smile. Today is his birthday, and he's excited. He wakes up early in his small, sunny house. The kitchen smells like sugar. Max wants to make a perfect chocolate cake for his party. He mixes flour, eggs, and cocoa. The cake looks amazing, round and shiny. Max puts it on the table to cool. "This will be the best party," he says, clapping his hands. But Max has a dog named Fluffy. Fluffy is white, fluffy, and very naughty. He loves food, especially cake. Max doesn't see Fluffy sneaking into the kitchen. The dog's nose twitches. He smells chocolate. Max goes to his room to get balloons. That's a big mistake. Fluffy jumps onto the table. His paws are quiet like a ninja. He grabs the cake with his mouth and runs. Max comes back and sees the empty table. "My cake!" he shouts. He looks around and spots Fluffy in the living room. The dog is fast, running with the cake. Max chases him. "Fluffy, stop!" he yells. Fluffy thinks it's a game. He runs under the sofa, then out to the garden. Max follows, tripping over a toy. Crash! A juice bottle falls and spills. The garden is a mess now. Max's friends arrive for the party. They see Max running after Fluffy. "What's happening?" his friend Lily asks. Laughing. Max is red-faced. "Fluffy stole my cake," he says. The kids join the chase. Fluffy is too quick. He runs to the backyard, where the party tables are. Balloons fly everywhere. A plate falls. Everyone is laughing, but Max is mad. Finally, Fluffy stops. He looks at Max with big, innocent eyes. The cake is still in his mouth, but it's a little squashed. Max reaches for it. Fluffy wags his tail and drops the cake. It lands right on Max's head. Splat! Chocolate covers his face. The kids burst out laughing. Max wipes his face and starts to laugh too. "Okay, Fluffy, you win," he says. The party is messy but fun. Max's mom brings cookies and everyone eats happily. Fluffy sits in the corner, licking chocolate from his paws. Max pets him. "You're naughty, but I love you," he says. The kids sing "Happy Birthday," and Max makes a wish. He wishes for a lock on the kitchen door. It's a silly day, but Max learns that even mistakes can make great memories. Max's birthday was a funny mess. Today's words: silly means doing something foolish. Mix-up means a mistake. Chase means to run after. What's your funniest pet story? Comment below. Subscribe to Rim2 Storytelling for more laughs. See you next time.